Good morning, everyone. My name is Akerele Oluwashogo. I'm your Microsoft Excel trainer. This morning we are going to learn how to use Vlookup with a choose functions. Vlookup with a choose function. In our last video, I show you how to do a lookup to the left using index and match functions. In this Excel video, I'm going to show you how you can do a lookup to the left with a Vlookup formulas together with the choose function as an alternative. How you can do a lookup to the left with a Vlookup formula together with the choose function as an alternative. Look at our data. We are going to retrieve grade and remark against the score. We are looking at the score of the students and we are going to retrieve grade and remark. You can see the grade and remark is to the left hand side of the table. It's at the left hand side of the table. Normally you can't use Vlookup to do this because Vlookup can't look up to the left, like I explained previously. So we are looking at the scores of the students against their remark and grade. And from our table array, the remark and grade is to the left hand side, which Vlookup can look up. So I told you Vlookup has its own limitation. It can't look up to the left hand side of the table. So in this scenario, we are going to use choose function and Vlookup together to look up to the left hand side of our table. So let's go through the formulas together. So type equals symbol and type Vlookup. Open the function. The first argument is the lookup value, which is the score, the first one we are looking up. So on C4, click on it, comma. The next argument is the table array. So you won't go and highlight your table array. So you now introduce choose function for your table array. You introduce choose function for your table array. So you type choose. So you open the function choose. So it's asking for our index. Is asking for our index. So this is where we trick. This is where we are going to trick Vlookup to believe that our score is on first column. So you open your curly bracket, So you type 1, 2. What this means is that we are tricking Excel to believe that the score is on table 1, is on column 1, while grade that we are looking up is on column 2. That's what we are doing. So we are tricking Vlookup to believe that score is on first column while the grade is on the second column. So that's what we mean by 1, 2. So you close it back with the curly brackets. We close it back with the curly brackets. You press a comma. So the next argument is the value. So you highlight the score, highlight all the score together, and you lock the table by pressing function F4, comma, value 2, which is the data that you want to retrieve under the grade. Highlight all the grade together. Lock it up with function F4. So you now close the whole bracket. So we have supplied the table array using choose functions to do that, comma, and the next argument is our column index number. If you can remember, we have tricked Vlookup to believe that grade is on second column. So you put 2 that is on the second position, comma, and our last argument, which is our range lookup. So we are looking for the approximate match. Double click on it to show approximate match. So you close the bracket and you press enter. You can see it has returned back fail. So 33 from the table is fail because it's between 0 to 49, which is fail. So double click on the edge to return back all the other results. That's how to use choose functions with Vlookup in Excel. Thank you for watching my video. My name is Akerele Oluwashogo.